I've got like one word, one action, hot.
Good afternoon, welcome back to our channel. So for today we are going to do a very special and very exciting video, which is my husband rates my outfit. Hence Daddy Mike is here. Say hi Daddy.
Hi guys.
And we are going to feature all these clothes that I bought from SHEIN. Ayan. So natanggap ko pala itong mga clothes na to guys 2 days ago. But hindi ko sila nilabas. Fresh talaga to sila sa plastic nila guys. Ito yung mga plastic nila. Ayan. So first time silang makikita ni Daddy Mike. First time ko silang ita-try on. So it will be very exciting. This is actually the second time na bumili ako from SHEIN guys. The first time nagustuhan ko yung quality and they are not very expensive. Kaya that's why I bought few more stuff. Ayan. Meron tayong tatlong bodysuit. Tatlong tops or blouses and then one dress. I'm very excited guys, so without further ado, let's get into the video. So let's start with this first one guys. So this is the white bodysuit. And just letting you know, everything is size small. So if you have similar body frame with me guys, then yeah, size small is fine. So I'm only 4'11" guys for your reference. So this is the first one, Daddy. What do you think of this?
Wow. Just to be clear, so the scoring is out of 5, yeah?
Yeah. So 1 to 5 and yeah, let me know your thoughts.
Alright, cool. So, I really like the color combination. White goes with everything. So, it's really nice. Nice fit. Potentially, if I was going to make any alteration to that, I'd have it potentially a little bit looser, which will expose a little bit more side boob. But other than that, it's really
nice. Side boob?
Yeah, I'm not complaining about this side boob. Now, if I'm going to give that a score, I'm going to give that a 4 out of 5 because again, it's very durable, very flexible. You could wear it with anything.
Thank you, Daddy. So next up is this bodysuit na yung kulay niya ay mocha brown. Yun yung sabi sa website, guys. So it's very similar to the white one kanina. Very similar. Kaya lang, iba yung kanilang material. And also, yung kaibahan din nila is yung, anong tawag dito? Yung malapit sa shoulder, guys ba? This one is thicker than this one. As you can see, ayan, manipis yung sa white. Anyways, that's what it looks like. And what do you think, Daddy, of this one?
I think you covered it. It's very similar looking to the white one.
Yes.
I think you look great in it.
Thank you, Daddy.
I'd like to see it paired up with maybe some black shorts or black pants or white pants. I think it would give a nice contrast. You know, the white one definitely looks better with the denim. But overall, it's very sexy. I like the material. And if I had to give it a rating, I'm gonna give it a 3.5.
3.5?
3.5. I can't give it a 4 because I thought the other one was a 4, and I think that white one, like I said, more versatile, more flexible. You can wear it with more. So this is a 3.5, and that's only because I think it's got a select color range that you could wear it with. But yeah, sexy.
But I really like this one, guys. It is very similar to Zara. Like, seriously, gusto kong bumili ng mga Zara na basics, guys, na ganito. But they are, I think, 30 Australian dollars each. And I can't bring myself to buy them, guys. Yeah, but I really want to. I might one day. But this one is the cheaper alternative to Zara, guys. They look really similar.
She will one day.
I will tomorrow. Next up is this bodysuit, guys. Ayan. So sobrang low niya dito, guys. Oh. Wala pa namang cleavage si ate nyo. Huwag nyo nang hanapin guys ha. Wala kayong makikita dyan. Anyways, this is what it looks like. Sobrang nipis ng kanyang tela. You think it's thin material, Daddy?
Yeah.
Yeah. It is, but I think it's perfect for summer and spring. It's very, very nice. And I like the shade of this pink, guys. And also, don't mind my braso de Mercedes, guys, ha? Malaki talaga yung braso ko, guys. Kaya, minsan nyo lang ako makikitang mag-sleeveless. But, you know, pakapalan na lang ng mukha, guys, no? Lahat abo. Mostly, sa mga binili ko pala, guys, ay sleeveless. Isa lang yung merong sleeve. Okay, Daddy Mike.
Alright,
What do you
so
think?
I've got like one word, one action, hot.
Daddy Mike!
I'm serious, man. I'm a big fan of this one.
Did you really?
I'm a big fan. Let me
You
finish.
just wet yourself.
I did because you're on fire. I did. I had to cool myself down. Alright, so I like everything about it.
Okay.
As you said, notably you gotta get that bra out of it.
Yeah.
But other than that, it is perfect for summer. Like I can see you in Gold Coast walking down the street. Walking down the
Insert
street.
Gold Coast.
Yeah, walking down the street with that, and I will be making sure that I'm holding your hand, so no one else is like looking. But yeah, I'm a big fan, and as you can see, I'm gonna give that a 5. Based on the fact
Perfect
that I had
score.
to put water on myself.
I got a perfect score.
Hopefully I get a perfect score after this.
Di. Speechy lagi na siya na buang. Okay, let's move on. This is the 4th one, guys, and excuse my
Mid-rate.
Bill. Ganyan talaga yan siya, guys. Tingnan niyo, oh, hanggang dito, oh. Ayan. But I really like this color at first. I'm just gonna give my feedback first, ha. Gusto ko yung kulay niya, guys. I think it suits my complexion. Ayan. But yeah, I'll let Daddy do the rest.
Cool. I'm gonna go like the opposite to you here, babe.
Okay.
I don't love the color.
Oh, really?
Nah, I don't love the color. Like I like the cut. I like the fit. I like the length. I like a bit of midriff. But it's very similar to the naked tone,
Yeah.
right? But this has got
a
more.
nude.
Yeah, it's more of a nude tone, right? I actually really like the nude tone, but this has got more of an orangey tinge to the nude tone. I like the browny nude, if that makes sense. So, in saying that, I don't love the color. I like everything else, and if it was in that nude
That you
tone,
like?
yeah, the nude tone that I like, I'd be giving it a 4, but I'm gonna give it a 3. I'm gonna give it a 3.5. I think it's equal to the other one, yeah. 3.5.
3.5. That's not bad. But I really like it, guys.
Yeah.
I still love it,
What
right?
do you think? Like, do you agree with that's an orangey? That's got an
Yeah,
it's got an orangey
yeah, I know
undertone?
what you mean. Yeah, I know what you mean. Yeah, I don't hate it. But yeah, I think the same as what you said. Yeah, I like the more nude color. I can see the orange undertone. Next up is this top na gustong-gusto ko kasi may ruffle. Para anong tawag sa style na to, guys? Hindi ko alam. But yes, it's a crop top again. Okay, Daddy Mike, what do you think?
Alright.
Give it to me, baby.
I'm not a huge fan of this one.
Okay.
Yeah, it's I don't like the I don't know how to what's the word.
This one?
It's puff. It's like a little puffy.
That's the style.
Yeah, I know. I'm just not feeling it. Like I was having a look around, and yeah, it's not me. It's not me personally. It looks not my thing.
It looks weird.
Like, yeah. I don't know. I don't know if it's like maybe maybe if you paired that with like just literally like a bikini bottom. That's all. No shorts, no pants. You're just wearing that like as a cover.
Yeah.
Like an over the top of your bikini. It'll look good. But I wouldn't wear that like with I wouldn't go out wearing that.
Yeah, I was thinking of wearing this with my high-waisted white pants.
Okay.
It looked nice.
I mean, yeah, it could work. But yeah, like I just wouldn't. I wouldn't buy it. Let's put it that way. Not that I would ever buy it anyway. But yeah, it's probably like the least favorite thing that you've worn so far.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go based on that. I'm gonna go 2.5. 2.5 out of 5. Which, you know, in fairness, you're doing pretty well at the moment. You've got like a 5.
What do you think of this, guys? Let me know in the comment section below.
Probably think I might full
Ito
shit.
pala yung ano niya, guys, dito sa shoulder part niya. Meron siyang ganito, parang bag lang. Ito yung adjuster niya.
I also think that I also would have preferred it too if like the back was actually like a tighter, like it actually changed the if you change the design so the back was actually like a tighter strap, so it was like firm,
Yeah.
and then it came out to like frilly at the front.
Yeah.
But yeah, it looks a bit too saggy and loose.
So next up is this crop top, guys. Oh my god, I think this is my favorite. I love the color, guys. Sobrang ano niya, very flowy yung kanyang material. Sobrang ganda ng kulay. Oh my god, ako na lang ang mag-rate, hindi na si Mr. Sobrang ganda. Oh my god. Okay, Daddy, what do you think?
Well, I'm agreeing with you on this one. It is my equal favorite.
Yeah.
Looks fantastic. Like it's cute, sexy, pretty, all of the above. I think it'll look really great with a fedora. And if you guys don't know what a fedora is, it's like a cowboy hat sort of thing.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, true. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it'll look really nice with a cowboy hat, sort of like Jessica Simpson style in what movie was that? Was she in? With the car. Anyway, I think it's got that real country girl look, and I appreciate it. And if I'm gonna give you a score, I'm gonna give this one a 4.9. 4.9. I still think like the other one turned me on a little bit more, but this one's pretty good. This one's pretty good, so 4.9 it is.
Oh my god, yes! I so love it, guys! Nandito pala yung kanyang zipper sa gilid, guys. Oh, ayan. I don't know how they call this zipper.
A zipper.
No, this is,
Side zip.
something like that. Ewan ko. But yeah. Oh my god, so love it.
So gross
But
sexy.
yeah, I love it. No, the color is so summery.
Yeah,
Right.
it's nice.
It's so me. Like, seriously, it's so me, guys. When I saw this one sa website nila, I know I gotta have it.
Do you agree? Do you agree with the look good with like a?
Yeah, I do. And the lucky last is itong dress na to, guys. Again, it's super cute. Hala, gusto ko lahat ng nabili ko, guys, sa SHEIN. What do you think, Daddy?
Turn around.
Ayun lang yan. Makita tong ilo.
Okay. So, yeah. How much was this one approximate?
How much?
Yeah.
But I can't remember anymore.
Cool. It's like it's nice. It's not like blowing me away, but it's nice casual, summer dress.
Yeah.
I think I would have liked it in a red color with white flowers. But yeah, it's nice. I mean, I don't have much to say. The other ones were sort of like, pouring water over my head, getting excited. This one's like, it's just an everyday nice dress. If you didn't pay too much for it, then it's a solid addition to the wardrobe.
Yeah.
And based on my review, I think it sits at about a 3.
3? Is this the list?
No, I gave it 2.5.
2.5 and the other one.
Yeah. So this is a.
Tingnan niyo, guys, Super nice kasi parang malaki yung boobs mo kahit hindi. Meron siyang illusion na big boobs because of this.
What do you think of the color? Like, do you like the color?
Yeah, I like the color. I love it. That's why I bought it because I love the color. Ayan. Sobrang ganda ng cut niya dito, guys. I really like it. You just have to be very careful pag tinayin nyo yung strap dito kasi pag hindi nyo tinay ng mabuti, ay naku, baka mabubuan kayo. But yeah, I think the length is perfect too. I think, tingnan nyo, so, kita pa rin yung paa. So it's just over the knee. No, Daddy?
Yeah, just over the knee.
Yeah. I think that's perfect length. Para kahit na pag gumanon ka ganyan, they still can't see your bum.
Yeah. I think I just think maybe in a red I would have preferred it.
Now I have the reason to go back and find the red one.
Yeah. No, it's not.
I thought you hate red color.
I do, but I just thinking of like with floral dresses.
Yeah.
The red and the white would have popped nicely, the white flowers. But yeah, it's good. Like I said, if you didn't break the bank. Then,
no, I did not for this.
Then it's like a solid day wear this kind of thing to like the market or something, you know what I mean?
Yeah, it's very nice. And see guys, oh, I paired it with my white sandals. Ayan. Sobrang ganda niya tingnan. But yeah, but there you go. 3 out of 5 for Daddy Mike.
What?
Oh, I'm sure guys. But yeah, thank you very much, Daddy Mike, for being with me today. I hope you enjoyed it, guys, as much as we enjoyed filming it for you. I really like it, and I think it's just, instead of showing it like a try on haul video, I think it made it more exciting. Daddy Mike is here to rate it. So
now on that note, we're gonna chuck the pink one on and get the hell out of here.
gusto ni Daddy Mike talaga yung pink, guys. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and if you like more try and haul video, please subscribe to this channel, and we hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
be careful.
bye.
See you guys.